Your place is all clean.
I want some tomato juice!
Hey! We've done everything you've asked us for the past 5 days. You might try saying thanks once.
You didn't install an air conditioner!
We don't have enough money to buy you an air conditioner.
You're just lucky Freddy's putting up that ceiling fan for you.
Well, I'd feel lucky if I were drinking some tomato juice!
I'll get you some tomato juice.
Hallelujah!
Sam, hand me my needle-nose pliers.
Here you go.
This ain't tomato juice!
Then what is it?
Nothing. I gotta get some rest!
Okay. Here's the remote that controls the fan.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Just call us if you need anything else.
I'm hot!
So turn on the fan.
What button?
The green one.
I'm pressing the green one and
Bring him in.
Easy! Easy!
We're almost there. Just a couple more steps. All right.
Support my left side!
I'm trying. All right, Mom, I need you to go around. And then we'll get him down from there. Just spin him around right there. Yeah.
This place is disgusting.
Welcome back from the hospital.
Don't you mean welcome back from the hospital again?
Come on, we didn't mean to drop a ceiling fan on you.
I thought the brackets were secure.
Oh, you thought? Well, maybe you should have checked twice.
Yeah, we thought. Oh, check
You
twice.
think I want to drop a fan on top of you?
Would you children please stop upsetting this injured man? Move away. Shoo. Oh, you poor thing. You look awful.
He looked awful before the accident.
Sam.
I feel worse than I look.
Well, that's because your leg isn't properly elevated.
No, 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 no. Ah. Thank you, Mrs. Benson.
Oh, please, call me Marissa.
Marissa. That's a pretty name.
Oh, thank you. It's French. It means honeysuckle.
Oh, I like honeysuckle.
Look, why don't you kids run along? I'll look after Lewbert.
Oh, are you sure? Because we don't...
Bye.
Don't you think we should stay and help?
Marissa, I was wondering, would you mind shaving my back?
I would be delighted to shave your back.
Oh,